Hi, I'm Kyle from Coates, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the new LCM truck tooling kit for 40mm balancers. This LCM kit is designed for 1500 through 5500 trucks or half-ton through medium duty. This kit includes 3 collets, 1 backspacer, a flange plate, and an assortment of pins. I'm going to show you how the LCM kit is installed on the balancer and how it gets used without the wheel. Then once we do that, I'll show you how to mount the wheel using the LCM kit. So the first thing to do is to take the backspacer and mount this to the flange of the balancer using the 2 included screws. These screws only need to be finger tight. Because this wheel uses a 170mm hub bore, we're going to use the largest collet in the kit, which is this one. If you have a question about what the hub bore size is of the wheel you're working on, simply scan the QR code on one of the collets or on the flange plate, and it takes you directly to the Coates application guide online, where you can look and see what the hub bore diameter and the bolt circle is of the wheel you're working on. Because this wheel is a 10 lug wheel with 225mm spacing, we're going to take 5 of the appropriate pins and put them in the spaces that are marked 5 on 225 on the pin plate. 10 lug wheel, 5 pins, 8 lug wheel, 4 pins, etc. Next, we take our Coates wing nut, and a Coates wing nut has a bit of an extended snout on it that is meant to work with this flange plate. So simply install the wing nut like you normally would and go ahead and tighten it down. Now that this is all together without the wheel on it, you can see how these studs from the flange plate are designed to lean or rest against this backspacer that we've installed on the balancer. This is what allows large bore, heavy truck wheels to be centered perfectly every time, is this design. Now that you see how that works, let's go ahead and put the wheel on. This 19.5 wheel is incredibly heavy, so I'm going to be using a wheel lift to help me get it all lined up. Next, we'll install our pin plate. Then the wing nut. Lower the wheel lift. And now this wheel is perfectly centered and it's ready to be balanced.